Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can create your Instagram QR code and share it with your friends on your social media accounts, or you can keep it with yourself. So for that, just open your Instagram account on your mobile phone. Just open the app and go to your profile. Now in your profile, here you can see the option called share profile. Just click on this share profile. When you click on this, here you can see your username and your QR code. You just have to take a picture of this QR code and share it with your friends or anyone that you want to share. Or you can share it on WhatsApp, on Snapchat. Simply you can download it, you can share it on Messenger, Facebook, on Twitter, on Threads, all the social media accounts you can share it. Now if you want to change its color, its background color, background image, you can do it. For that, at the top right side, click on this pencil option and click on this change background. When you click on this, here you can change its background. Here you can see it's updating now. You can also change its color. You can see now it's blue in color. But if you want to change its color, click on this pencil option again, click on change color, and here you can see you can change its color. So this is the way how you can create your or share your Instagram QR code with your friends or on your social media accounts.